Hi, my name is Monette Perez, and this assignment is for 1.2 for Dr. Hayden. As part of the results that I got from the philosophical questionnaire, I scored high in the human operating philosophy, which really ties in those relationships with the people that I come across, and not only at home, but also at work. And I feel that it ties in perfectly with my values because I really view respect as a number one, that, I give respect to others and their ideas and their opinions on whatever it is that we're talking about. I'm also dependable to others. I'm polite and I'm responsible and I'm loving and I'm caring. I feel that ties in perfectly, especially with work, because I am a preschool teacher and I deal with students through ages 3 to 5 and also with parents every single day. And I strongly believe that the more caring and nurturing relationships that I create within the families that I serve and also the children that I serve, the better the relationship that we'll have throughout the whole entire school year and for lifelong, so long term. It ties in perfectly with my purpose because I want to be able to create a change with the students that I serve, the families that I serve, and be able to make an impact on education. And I think that the humanistic approach is perfect and it ties in perfectly because it's something that I'm able to create more meaningful and deep relationships with others around me.